Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to use Google Fit app. First, download and install Google Fit from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. On the home screen, you can view your daily steps, calories burned, and heart points. To track an activity, tap the plus button and select Track Workout. Choose your activity such as walking, running, or cycling, then press Start. While you exercise, Google Fit will automatically record your time, distance, and calories burned. When you finish, tap Pause and then save to add the workout to your history. You can also connect other fitness apps or devices like Strava or smartwatches to keep all your health data in one place. And that's it. Now you know how to track your activities and use Google Fit effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.